Come down here. Run down. Run.
Real. And don't be cranking like a madman, dude. He's off. Nope, he's still on.
Oh, he's all the way up there.
Get out as far as you can on him. Are you getting line back?
Yep. A little that time.
Yep. I wanted to get better footage of him in the water. I didn't.
There'll be some more.
Make sure he gets to the last cranks in. Here you go.
Don't go crazy.
Yeah, he is.
Because that's not getting nothing. Oh, he's close though. I can see it. Let's see, sharp.
Keep going. Which way is he going? Is he straight out? All right, walk back a little if you can.
Yep. Oh my goodness. Sorry, bro. I also don't want him going over to those. There's what? I know there's people in that water over there. Is he pulling drag still?
No, I'm about to get some line back.
Come on, Pop, you're the man.
Hey, Avon. Just fight the fish. Once he comes, you gotta just drag him up.
Yep. That's a far enough bend.
Yeah, exactly. I'm trying to tell him.
Oh, he's right there? No, it's not right there. No, he's not. Go down that way.
On the super light tackle. What are you doing? What are you doing? You don't get a reel any more of that. No, he is.
You asked me to.
No. And you said you were gonna. Don't put it on me, sissy man. I've got a grouper on a 80-pound leader. 45 minutes.
Huh? I think so. But he's still pulling drag.
I don't want to be a guy. Oh.
You're right.
You want to feel some of this? Come on, you can get some of this.
My forearm is dead. Like all this is dead. It is 30-pound gray with a 40-pound leader
Yeah.
and then a steel leader on that. But the 40-pound leader.
We can walk. That's not getting no line. Walk. See how it's spinning backwards and not getting line. Walk.
I don't think that far. He's so heavy. I don't think
I think we gotta leave the dirt where it is.
Yeah, he keeps pulling it. Here.
Nope, I'm not taking it back.
I keep moving.
This guy's line is,
Oh, come
I think it's John. He's right here. He's just so heavy. I don't feel comfortable.
Hey, I'd stay out the water. That's just me though. That bend.
So look, dude, you gotta chill out. Focus on the fish. And don't snap the rod. Oh yeah, I do got my wallet over there somewhere. They gave you my wallet, right, Avon? I did give it to you.
Yeah, you did it, Aiden. He was really close, and now
The spot, yeah.
I can feel that.
Yeah. Right here.
still
But he's hooked great, man.
Yeah, he's hooked. He ain't getting off. Unless the pull breaks or light, you know. Oh, he's right there. You see?
I'm gonna run towards the water, man, but I can gain on it.
Yeah.
Is it dead?
Stinking great. Got him in. Man.
Got him in the way.
Turn and get.
Yeah,
That arm is so dead. Like, it hurts so bad.
I want to get back.
Go, girl.
Go, go, go.
Here in Florida. What beach is this?
This is Playa Linda Beach.
Playa Linda Beach. We got
With the Rockets.
What's the with the Rockets right down there? What's your name?
My name is Colin.
Colin. He helped us out today. Thanks, man.
Good job, guys.